Here's the number one home buying myth that's hurting you. If you want to buy a home, but you're hesitant because you want your first home to be your dream home, let me tell you something. You're chasing a moving target. While you are waiting, the cost of homes are continually rising. Instead, you can buy a starter home. You see, research shows that most people only stay in their first home for about 7 years anyway. So, start building your equity in your first home. Then, once you're ready to buy your dream home, you can use your first home's equity. Or better yet, you can rent it out, have cash flow, and let appreciation do its thing. That's how you build your net worth with real estate. Good luck to you, and thank you for watching.